In this video, we will show the best circular saws in India 2020. At number 1, Bosch Circular Saw. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Stanley Circular Saw. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Black & Decker Circular Saw and Dewalt Saw Blade. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Dongcheng Circular Saw. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Dewalt Wood Cutter Machine. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.